Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Chandra Batiar, name 83202000187. And in here I am not alone. I accompanied by my friend M. Amdan Abdullah, name 83202000191. In here we will talk about content-based instruction or CBI. Background: content-based instruction or CBI is a teaching method that emphasizes learning a subject or content through language rather than learning about language. This methodology brings together subject matter learning and content learning. CBI is defined as an approach to language instruction and integrates the presentation of topic or tasks from subject matter classes. Example: math, social studies. Within the context of teaching is a second or foreign language, Crandall and Tucker, 1996, 187. The teaching is organized around the content that students will acquire and not around a linguistic syllabus. It integrates the language instruction and the instruction of content or the subject matter from the curriculum areas for the purpose of language development and content learning. Genius, 1999, 3 suggests that content need to be academic. It can include any topic, theme, or non-language issue of interest or important to learners. CBI has been very popular the last 20 years, particularly in the USA and Canada for its effectiveness in ESL immersion program. This interest has now spread to EFL classrooms around the world including Indonesia. We can trace CBI root to the late 1970s, in which Widowson 1978 promoted the Association for Foreign Language Teaching with topics from subject in the school curriculum to give students the opportunity to use language for meaningful communication and to connect their school experience with the outside world. Richard and Roger, 22, 2002 and 2009, state that CBI is grounded on the three basic principles. 1. Learning a second language will be more successful when learners use the language as a means of acquiring information rather than as an end of itself. CBI. Language is not subject to be learned, but as meant for learning a subject or a content. Learners are involved in several language skills together since the activists often link language skills with the real world. They might read, take notes, listen, write summary, or respond orally to things they have read or written about the subject matter. In CPI, grammar is part of other skill. Thus, knowledge or content, language, and thinking skill are brought together in the interaction. In CPI, content is the point of departure of organizing principle of the course. 2. CPI reflects learners' needs for learning a second language. CPI is typical student-centered approach. It reflects learners' needs. Thus, the choice of content should consider the learner's current language proficiency level, academic objective, interest, and need. Snow, 1991, 326. Academic need of students must be determined at their language proficiency level must be assembled carefully in order to determine the content that is most appropriate for instruction. Content should be selected according to the student need for interest. The student's academic need or interest will give direction, shapes, and meaning to instruction.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amdan Abdullah. I will continue the explanation from my friend. Number 3. Turning a sequence. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amdan Abdullah. I will continue the explanation from my friend. Number 3. Learning a second language will be more successful when the information is interesting, useful, and leading to the desired goal. This principle is justified by ESP studies that second language learning will be successful if the language syllabus takes into account the real use of the target language, the content that is relevant with student that or interest increase their motivation in learning, therefore promotes more effective learning. Language learning is also believed to be more interesting and motivating when students are focusing on ideas, issues, or opinion rather than on language from itself. If content or subject matter with a high level of interest is chosen, learning may acquire the language more willingly. Characteristic of CBI 1. Based instructionalization on content rather than language criteria. It is true that most books for second language instruction are designed by course planners and material designers, not by language teacher. It is also true that the responsibility to choose and adapt the material to be used in the classroom fall on the language instructor, especially when working with CBI. In fact, CBI permits the choice of the content. It is the content itself that determines the pedagogical decision in selection and sequencing. With regard to this, Brinton 2003 point out that CBI allow the choice of content to dictate or influence the selection and sequencing of language item. Brinton 2003. And number two, integrate skill. CBI advocate for an integrate skill approach to language teaching. For example, a regular lesson may begin with any skill or focus, such as intonation or any other language feature. That approach also involves the teaching of multiple skills simultaneously, just as in the real world. And number three, involve students actively in all phases of the learning process. Of the main characteristic of the CBA classroom is that it is learner centered, not teacher centered. Students do not depend on the teacher to control the learning experience. Students play a more active role in the CBI classroom, creating and participating actively in the construction of knowledge. Per correction and per input are also significant in this approach. And number four, choose content for its relevance to student life, interest, and or academic goal. Content is closely related to the student needs and instructional setting. And number five, select authentic text and tasks. Authentically is another significant feature of CBI. Text and tasks used in CBI come from the real world. Okay. Advantage of CBI. It leads to more successful program outcome than alternative language teaching approach because it is matched to student needs and interests. It lends itself quite naturally to the integrated teaching of the four skills. In CBI, students are exposed to study skill and learn a variety of language skill which prepare them for a range of academic texts they will encounter. And this advantage of CBI. Most language teachers have been to teach language as a skill rather than to teach a counter subject. team teaching proposal involving language teacher and subject matter teacher often considered unwieldy and likely to reduce the efficiency of both. And last, the classroom technique quiz. There are a variety of strategies and techniques used in the content-centered second language instruction. Here, the discussion will be limited to four types of strategies, namely cooperative learning and other grouping strategies, task-based or experiential learning, world language strategies, and graphic organizer. The strategies are appropriate to be used in CBI for three reasons. They increase attention to academic language learning, contribute to content learning, and encourage development of thinking and study skill. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.